In this video, I'm going to show you how to register your Sandisk pen drive for warranty. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to shop.sandisk.com/support. Now, you might need to sign in or sign up for an account here, but once you've done that, go ahead and scroll down, and now it says here get flash product support. Got some health topics here. Now you want to go in and click on the product registration. Now this is where the magic begins. Now from here, just going to fit out this product registration. So this can apply to any type of Sandisk product as well. So to ensure your warranty expiration date is current, please register your flash products such as SSDs. So you want to go ahead and choose your brand, which is Sandisk. Then your serial number. If you're not sure where to get that, just go ahead and click on the help and you're going to find where it's going to be there. It's going to show you where you can find it. Now from here, you want to go ahead and select product. So type your product. So put in your Sandisk pen drive. Now we need to put in our first name, last name, email, country or region you're from, your purchase date, and also proof of purchase, which is required as well. So go ahead and take a photo of it with your mobile device or camera. Then from here, go ahead and click on by checking the box to acknowledge to the privacy statement and agree to receive communications. Then from here, go ahead and click on the submit button. Then once you've clicked submit, your Sandisk pen drive is going to be, you're going to activate the warranty for that. And I'm pretty certain it's for at least a year. I could be wrong. Just let me know in the comments below if it's more than a year.